Have you seen our Pioneer Axe mod video? If so, here's a chance to try it out. Let's bushcraft us up a chair. For this, we're looking for a dead branch or some deadfall, at least 4 feet long, probably about 4 inches wide in diameter through the center. We have 10-inch markings on our hatchet that we did in our Pioneer video. We're going to remove all of these offshoot branches. And you're looking for roughly 5 feet, so say 60 inches in length. That would be 6 of these. Once you've got your one of these, you don't really need to measure off your hatchet anymore. You can just go off the length of your initial pole. Don't get rid of your hatchet just yet though. You're gonna need to cut, I don't know, I kind of just go by intuition on this, but you're gonna need to cut about, I guess, a 30-degree angle into each limb. Now that you got that done, you're going to need to use some cordage. I prefer a good sturdy bank line for these more detailed projects, just so you can get your shit in there nice and tight. Anybody else out there like me, no good with numbers? Some JT dyscalculia? So you're aware, not to worry, just feel it out. It's not a definitive 30-degree angle. It's just as long as you can get them together and you have about a 12-inch gap at your end. That's 1 1/4 rig's tails.
And about 4 inches to shore up on the right side there.
Now that you've got your limbs cut, let's keep your axe or hatchet nearby because you know you've messed up your angle somewhere along the line. Grab your bank line. You got that pulled out. Keep your line connected to your spool for now. For this next trick, we're going to start this all off with a clove hitch. So bring your cordage out a couple inches over so you can wrap it around a second time, making an X fairly tight and cross it through the center of that X.
Pull that all tight and voila, clove hitch. With this done, put your 2 ends together. And a trick I like to do here is I'll take the bank line and then just wrap it around a few times while still on the spool to get exactly how many lashings we need across the beams.
Now that you've got that 10 on there, we're going to go ahead and half that and bring our last one around and underneath, back up, and just give it a good pull. These ones going across are called lashings. These ones going around and over top are called frappings, just to get the vernacular right. Until you get it through there. Keep winding it around. Your last 2 fairly nice and tight. And this is where we are going to use the stopper knot. Thought you were done? You got 1 more of these and a couple more lashings to go for cross beams. This verse, same as the first.
But this video's gone on long enough. We won't sit you through it. Just hang tight and we'll jump ahead a little bit here.
In order to speed things along, we've gone off camera and attached these 2 cross beams with just some basic square lashings. The back stick as a brace, just for a temporary. This will hold up on its own. just to get things set up, stabilize as such. Oh, got colder. This is going to really affect our continuity. It's better. Now that you got everything braced, take your second A-frame, sans cross beams, and just bring it over, insert it between your initial A-frame's cross beams. At this point, you don't really need your back brace. Lounger, or maybe a little more upright. Add some appropriately cut sticks. And you've officially achieved a little bit of rustic, orthopedic brilliance via Da Vinci style airplane sketch.
They don't like us.
Now with sheepskin seat cover.
They don't like us. They ain't gotta like us.
Have you seen our Pioneer Axe mod? I'm gonna lose a nose here.